enough to cut me off. Say that I can never, that we were nothing.
Just one smooch.
No,
Wow, now I'm so depressed.
but I already gave you some 4 minutes ago.
Exactly, it's been so long.
So what's going on?
I was having a lovely conversation with my girlfriend before a rudely gay man interrupted me.
Oh, really? How about we go in DM?
Wait, why?
¿Has olvidado? Es porque nuestra familia es mafia loca.
Pero si quiero quedar con ella.
What are y'all even saying? Nothing important, but hey, where are the pics? Wait, you were serious about them?
Hold up, are you all talking about Xavier in pink skirt?
Yeah, now send them here. Oh no.
$150.
Wow, teasing me for being poor?
Just do it.
I was almost done.
Fuck you mean.
Never back down. Never give up.